Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play again.
In this video,
We're gonna talk more about
singular and
plural noun.
nouns.
Yeah, part of the
Parts
speech.
of speech,
Regular,
regular and irregular plural.
singular nouns. So what is it? What you know about singular noun, Nina?
A singular noun is the name
Mm-hmm.
for one person, place, thing, or idea.
Yeah, so the
Singular means single.
key word is one. Yeah, so now plural nouns. Plural nouns, what is it? What you know about the plural
A
noun?
plural noun is the name for more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Plural means plus.
Lot. So more than one.
It's basically, you know how like if you want two dogs, you put dogs s at the end, right? It's basically plural.
Yeah. So the key word is here more than one. It could be two, it could be trillion. So two types of noun.
So regular plural,
Regular plural and irregular plural.
Most nouns become plural by adding s to the singular form.
So
Example: dog, dogs, cat, cats.
So, Lina, wait. Regular plural are normally, when you add s at the end, it's become regular nouns. But there are some irregular plural, which are
Some nouns do not follow the rules above and change in different ways, or not at all when they become plural. Example: child, children, mouse, mice.
Yeah, it cannot be like child's or mouses. Mouse.
So, or kids. That could be one.
So irregular, they don't like to follow the rules. They have their own rules. So let's go more detail. So it's time to do work.
There are two.
Some practice. So there are two. So for example, there is one apple. So there are two
apples.
So apple is a regular.
So that would go, there would go up.
Regular single. Yeah. So you're gonna be what? What is the answer?
Apples.
Yeah. So regular is just add s at the end.
Yeah.
So now this is cats have paws with sharp claws.
Oh wait, no, that's fine.
What are you doing? Yeah.
That's fine.
Which of the noun in this sentence are plural? So now you need to find the plural nouns here.
This one.
You got an answer?
No, this is not answer.
Oh, that's not the answer. Okay.
It's just showing.
Yeah.
Like what could.
Yeah. So how do you know the cat is a plural?
Because it's a thing.
Thing and
it's
has a s at the end.
Yeah, and then paws is it's part of a cat and has s at the end.
And claws has s at the end.
And then
yeah, so that's the easy one to find the.
What about shark?
I don't think so.
Well, but I think so.
You think sharp is a noun?
Yeah.
Really?
I think.
Lina.
I think it's all these.
Let's see what is right. But the sharp is not the name of something. Is it?
Oh, it's incorrect. Not a noun.
It's not even noun. So cats, paws, and claws are correct answer, and sharp is incorrect. You need some practice, little girl. The children play with colorful marbles. So which of the nouns in this sentence are plural? Ooh, children. More than one child is a children.
Yeah.
That's fall into irregular plural. Yeah.
There you go.
Marbles. How about colorful?
No.
No way. Okay. Let's see. And why you think they are plural, Lina? So you already said children. What about the marbles?
Marbles has a s at the end.
That's easy way to identify. Yeah. Children,
Correct.
marbles, correct. Good. So again, it's continue the activities. Nouns. Which of the nouns in this sentence are plural? Can you read it, please?
During the summer, the beaches
Are
filled with umbrellas,
Mhm.
and children built sand castles while their parents relax under the sun.
Okay, so it's easy to find.
Yeah, so beaches, sand castles, children, parents, and umbrellas.
Yeah. So how about the sun?
No.
No.
Sun,
Okay.
incorrect.
The summer is also incorrect. Wow. Summer is just a noun. It's not a plural, right? So
It's a
beaches,
thing.
you're right. Umbrellas, you're right. Children, irregular one here. Yeah.
No, children's correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
This is correct. Correct. All of that I circled is correct.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
So that's all. And then hope you can practice more with your parents or your siblings. And then enjoy our video. Keep watching. Bye.
Bye.